The oldest living former Prime Minister of India, BJP leader, 93 years old Atal Bihari Vajpayee passed away in Delhi's AIIMS hospital on 16 August 2018. He was admitted at the AIIMS on June 11, 2018, as his condition deteriorates due to the kidney tract infection, urinary tract infection, low urine output, and chest congestion. He was a diabetic and has only one functional kidney. It is with the profound grief that we inform about the sad demise of a former Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, at 5:05 p.m. on 16/8/2018, AIIMS said in a statement on Thursday. Unfortunately, his condition deteriorated over the 36 hours and he put on the life support system. Despite the best effort, we have lost him today, the statement read. 21 unknown facts about Atal Bihari Vajpayee that you might not know. He was known as a leader who led India into the new millennium. He was famous for his charismatic personality, wit, ability to take bold decisions, and oratorical skills. These qualities make him one of the most respected politicians in the history of independent India. I have compiled a list of some of the interesting and unknown facts about Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee that you might not aware of. Number 1. When alive at the age of the 93, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was oldest living former Prime Minister of India. Number 2. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first non-Indian National Congress politician to serve a full 5-year term as the Prime Minister of India, 1999 to 2004. Number 3. Once Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was so impressed by Vajpayee's oratorical skill that he predicted that one day he will become a Prime Minister of India. Number 4. In 1977, Vajpayee, being Minister of External Affairs of India, became the first person to deliver a speech in Hindi to United Nations General Assembly. Number 5. When he became the Minister of External Affairs in 1977, he witnessed that the portrait Jawaharlal Nehru was missing from his office. He immediately told his staff, "I want it back." Number 6. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, along with his long-time friends L.K. Advani and Baron Singh Shekhawat from the Bharatiya Janata Party in 1980 and also become BJP's first president. Number 7. Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India 3 times in a span of 8 years between 1996 and 2004. Number 8. Vajpayee connection with the number 13. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has a special connection with the number 13. Number 9. During the 3 months of Kargil war between India and Pakistan in 1999, Vajpayee sent a secret letter to then President of USA, Bill Clinton, stating that if Pakistani infiltrators did not withdraw from the Indian territory, we will get them out one way or other. Number 10. During his speech in Rajya Sabha, former Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan referred Vajpayee as the Bhishma Pitamaha of India politics. Number 11. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a lifelong celibate, but he has an adopted daughter named Namita Bhattacharya. Number 12. His birthday, 25th December, established as a Good Government's Day in 2014 by Modi government to honor former Prime Minister Vajpayee. Number 13. Vajpayee was a big fan of Hema Malini. He has watched her film Sita and Geet, released in 1972, 25 times. Number 14. One interesting fact is that Vajpayee and his father completed their post-graduation from the same college, Dev College in Kanpur. Not only that, he studied in the same class and also shared the same room in the hostel. Number 15. In the last 20 years, Vajpayee has undergone 10 surgeries. Number 16. During his tenure as the Prime Minister, India becomes a nuclear state after successfully conducting 5 underground nuclear tests in the Pokhran in May 1998. Number 17. He is the only member of parliament who has been elected from 4 different states in India, named Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Number 18. He was a politician by profession and poet by passion. Number 19. He was a Brahmin by birth, but he loves non-veg. His favorite restaurant was curry in Old Delhi and favorite dish is prawn. Number 20. In February 1999, Vajpayee initiated peace process to resolve issue with Pakistan by inaugurating Delhi-Lahore bus service. He also took a bus journey named Sada-e-Sarhad to Lahore, 19 February 1999. Number 21. Vajpayee was an ardent follower of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, founder of the Bharatiya Janata Sangh. In 1953, he fast unto death along with the Shyama Prasad in 1953 to protest against the law of carrying a permit to visit Kashmir.